Hi guys, welcome back. The wine is finally done. So we made this on January 1. It's now February 4. So we prepared these flip top bottles. This is 500 ml each. So 2 liters. I'm expecting to lose 1 inch of wine from the bottom. I don't have a syphon, so I'm going to use a pitcher and a funnel. I'm gonna attempt to pour the contents of this jar into this pitcher. Hopefully just a bit of the sediment will be transferred. I might need to put the collar of the jar back on. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna do this. The liquid has not cleared up. It remains murky. I'm guessing that's how the grapes were processed. Okay, we spilled quite a bit of the wine, and it's still 3 liters. Okay, so close this up. Oh, you can smell the alcohol. Wow, it's quite potent. So in any case, we'll attempt to bottle some of it. Okay, here it goes. It's hard to see. Probably need the light.
I saw it, Daddy. It has
Need to wipe the table first. Okay. So here we go.
almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Oops.
Okay, it's up to there. Up to the neck. So I guess we can add a little bit more. Okay. It's a bit messy. Alright. So on to the next bottle. A bit and seal it up. Okay, that's 1 bottle down. most of those who know wine brewing might laugh at me for doing this, but I don't have a syphon, so we'll make do with what we have. We'll just let the bubbles subside. Okay, add a bit more until we get to the rim. Okay. Okay, we probably need more bottles.
Interesting.
Now these are 330 ml bottles.
Pink.
These might be easier to fill up. Still have a bit more left. Okay, so we've got about 2.6 liters from the original 3 liters of fluid. We still have about 250 ml. So we did lose a bit. I haven't even drunk any and I'm now drunk. No, just kidding. So we have 250 ml left. Probably another 250 ml in the original fermenting jar, but we won't be getting that. We need to throw this away. Alright, so here are our bottles. We have, like I said, 260. Huh? No, 2.6. 2.66 liters,
Okay.
approximately. Plus 250 left. So we lost about 200 ml. Alright, I guess that's it for now. So there you have it, our 1 month brew. This is from store-bought grape juice. We started with 3 liters of juice, 1/4 kilo of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of wine yeast. So it took longer than I expected. I said it would be 14 days, but it was actually 33 days. No, 35 days. It was probably close to 32 days because I waited 2 days for all the bubbles to dissipate before I attempted to bottle these things. So I will wipe these bottles up, store them in a cool, dry place this time. I hope I won't give these away. I mean, I bought these bottles for a different purpose, but hey, homemade hooch. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And once again, enjoy.